Hi students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ethers. Topic preparation of ethers. In the last video discussed IUPAC nomenclature of ethers in its continuation. Today we discuss preparation of ethers. So ether general formula ROR. Okay, R is any alkyl or aryl group. First one, preparative method, entire molecular dehydration of alcohol. Entire molecular dehydration of alcohol. So 2-methanol undergo dehydration and to form dimethyl ether. So simple reaction, intermolecular dehydration of alcohol. When ethanol is treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 at a 443 Kelvin temperature, elimination takes place and to form ethene. Then if the same reaction is carried out for 13 Kelvin temperature, substitution competes over elimination to form ethers. Okay, now discuss equation for this reaction, dehydration reaction. So 443 Kelvin la pathina elimination takes place ஆயிட்டு ethene form ஆகுது. But 413 Kelvin temperatures la substitution வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்க more chances வந்து இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So substitution compares over elimination to form ether. Okay, right. Ethanol, 2 moles of ethanol treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 at a 413 Kelvin temperature to form ether. Ethoxyethene. To form ethoxyethene. Okay, so diethyl ether. So this one part, ethyl part, then OC2H5 or OCH2CH3 part, ethoxy part. Okay, so ethoxyethane, right? So 413 Kelvin elimination takes place, 443 Kelvin elimination takes place, but the formed product is different. Okay, 443 Kelvin ethene is formed, but 413 Kelvin ether is formed. Okay, so 443 Kelvin substitution compares over elimination to form ether, right? Now discuss mechanism of intermolecular dehydration of alcohols. Mechanism. So ether formation mechanism. Ethanol, in ethanol oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay, 2 lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron attack hydrogen in sulfuric acid. So this lone pair attack this hydrogen. Okay, so this hydrogen attack oxygen, then this shared pair OH shared pair shifted to oxygen, right? 6s to oxygen, HSO4 minus is removed, then to form protonated oxonium ion. Okay, protonated alcohol is formed. Okay, so this alcohol unstable immediately decompose into forms product, right? Then the another one mole of ethanol is introduced in this step, second step, this lone pair of electron attack this carbon, okay, ethyl group, attack this ethyl group, particularly attack this carbon, right? So this lone pair of electron attack this carbon, then this bond, okay, this bond shifted to oxygen. So one water molecule is removed, one water molecule is removed, minus H2O, okay, one water molecule is removed. Then to form an unstable intermediate, so this intermediate is formed, then the water molecule contains, the removed water molecule contains oxygen. Oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons, right, this lone pair of electrons attack this hydrogen from this intermediate, okay, then this shared pair, okay, this shared pair of bond shifted to oxygen, right? So the positive charge is removed to form ethyl ether, okay, diethyl ether, to form diethyl ether, and with the removal of hydronium ion, okay, H3O plus, H3O plus. So product ethoxyethane or diethyl ether. Then this method is useful for the preparation of simple ethers, okay, simple ether prepare பண்றதுக்கு இந்த மெத்தட் வந்து கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்கு, okay. So intramolecular dehydration is useful for preparation of simple ethers but not suitable for preparing mixed ethers. Then if a mixture of two different alcohol is used, mixture of different ethers will be formed, then they are difficult to separate, okay. That means mixture of two different alcohols, for example ethanol and propanol is used for intermolecular dehydration reaction, a mixture of ethers is formed, okay, mixture of ether, ethoxypropane, then ethoxyethane, then methoxyethane, okay, different ethers are formed. These different ethers are difficult to separate, okay. So to prepare mixed ether, use another one method, okay. So intermolecular dehydration reaction is very useful for preparation of simple ethers. Thank you students, see you next class.